Hey everyone, today I'll show you on how to change Siri's name to Jarvis. Let's get started. So on iPhone, Siri's name itself cannot be changed. Apple doesn't allow renaming Siri to something like Jarvis, but you can customize the experience so it feels like Siri is your Jarvis. And here's how you can do it. First, the method one is change the Siri's voice and accent. You can open the settings and scroll down and tap Siri and search and tap Siri voice. Choose a different voice and accent for like a Jarvis tone or many users speak British male. Then the method 2 is you can customize Siri's wake phrase. You can open the Shortcuts app and tap plus to create a new shortcut and add an action like ask Siri to open an app or perform a command and name that shortcut Jarvis. Now, when you say, Hey Siri, Jarvis, it will trigger that shortcut and feel like you're talking to Jarvis. And you can also personalize Siri's response. Go to the settings and click Siri and search. Then enable announced calls or announced notifications. Customize responses in Siri shortcuts so it replies in Jarvis-like style. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.